Subscribe to Style Files and hit the bell icon to get notified each time I put up a new video.
Hi guys, it's Bija here. Welcome to Style Files. So today I'll be doing a huge e.l.f. Cosmetics haul. Yes, I got e.l.f. Cosmetics in India. So basically my friend was traveling in US and I got all the products shipped to his place and he got it down for me. And it's a lot of stuff. So without wasting more time, let's directly just begin the video. So I would be randomly picking out stuff from the box and I would show it to you guys. So the first thing that comes to my hand is this. So this is basically the e.l.f. Makeup Lock-in C. It comes with the product itself and a brush and also a mixing container. So what you have to do is just take a few drops of the product and dip this brush into the product, and you can use it with powders like your eyeshadows and your blushes. So I basically got this to use this with my loose pigments so that they stay put on my eyes and also they give a very nice pigmentation. Next I got myself is this tweezer. So it's nothing too fancy, just a normal tweezer. It was just for $1, and yeah, a tweezer is an essential, especially if you want to apply false lashes or just for basically tweezing your eyebrows. So yeah, got this. Then I got myself two eye primers. So this is in the shade Pearl and this is in the shade Sheer. I used this one today and I must say I really like it. So I expected this to be like a regular white eye primer so that it would make a white canvas for the eyeshadows, but this actually has glitter in it. It's not very chunky glitter, so that's the reason I like it. If it would be chunky glitter, I would not have liked it. But yeah, this works well, and I got this one in the sheer shade to just normally use it for normal MAC eyeshadows. So yeah, I got two of these. Then I also got myself this mascara. So this is the volumizing and defining mascara. Haven't really tried it yet, but heard good reviews about it, so got this one. And with such inexpensive products, it doesn't harm to try them out, right? Then I got myself the e.l.f. Prime and Stay Finishing Powder. So I got this in the shade medium to dark, but I think they sent me the fair to light shade by mistake. So this is definitely not my skin tone, but I would make it work by using it for setting my under eyes and stuff. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one as well. Then I got my hands on the Daily Brush Cleaner. So this is what it looks like. It's basically a spray bottle for cleaning your brushes. So this is very on the go kind of an option when you don't have time to clean the brushes. Just spray this on the brush and wipe it with a tissue or a cotton pad. So that will remove all the gunk from the brush. This is a very good travel option. Next I got is this e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. So this is basically a setting spray, nothing too fancy, and it is 60 ml of bottle, and this was again for like $3 I feel, or $6, I'm not too sure. I would be putting all the prices in the description box, so do check that out. And also if you want me to review any of these products individually, definitely let me know, I would do that. So yeah, this is the fixing spray. I did use it once and I must say it did the job well, even though I did not have the makeup on for a really long time. So I don't know whether it made my makeup last for a long time, but yeah, it did help in like seamlessly blending the makeup and just melting the makeup into the skin very naturally. So I like this for that. Next thing that I got is this lipstick. So this is the e.l.f. I think this is the Velvet Matte Lipstick collection, and I got the shade Blushing Brown. I wanted a few other lipsticks from the matte collection, but the shades which I wanted were out of stock at that time, so couldn't get my hands on that. So this is the shade Blushing Brown, and this is what it looks. I'm wearing it right now. So it's a very dark grayish kind of ashy grayish, what do you call it, cool tone kind of a brown lipstick. In the tube it looks very warm. In the tube it looks like it would be a normal warm brown lipstick, but on the lips it looks very cool tone. This is the first time that I'm wearing this kind of a lip color. So let me know what you guys think about it, whether it suits me or not. Then I got the e.l.f. Eye Refresh. So this is basically an eye roll-on for the under eye. So so it will help in reducing the puffiness around the eyes, and also it says that it helps reducing dark circles. Now I don't know about dark circles, but I did use this once or twice maybe, and it did definitely help in reducing the puffiness. So it basically is just a roller like this, so you apply it under the eye. Okay, next I got this e.l.f. illuminating face primer. Now this they have in two sizes. I got the smaller one because I wanted to try it out, and also they have this in various shades, like they have it in lavender, green, sheer, and few others to basically solve different problem areas. So I got the Radiant Glow one, and this has specks of gold in it, so obviously that helps in the glow. I am using it right now, and I feel that it gives a subtle glow to the skin, not a very exaggerated glow, but yeah, it definitely gives a subtle glow. So I like the primer, and I don't know how long it will make the makeup last, because when I used it before as well, I just used it for a couple of hours. So yeah, don't know about the longevity, but yeah, definitely like the primer so far. Okay, next I feel this is something very essential. So this is a lip scrub. It is in a lipstick tube, and this is what it looks like. I got it in the shade Mint. It has very fine granules. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I have used this and I really like it. So what I do is I apply it on my lips and I scrub it using my finger, and then I just used a toothbrush to just scrub off all the dead skin, and this works really well like that. So yeah, this is a very good option when you want to prep your lips for like an extremely matte lipstick, or even now the winters are coming, so it is good for, because I do tend to get really dry lips. So yeah, this is very helpful. Okay, next I got is this. This is the eyeshadow palette by e.l.f. and this is the matte for matte eyeshadow palette. They have, I think, three shade variants in this. I got the nude one, which is the matte for matte one, and these are the shades. So first of all, it has a huge mirror, which is really nice quality, and these are the shades. So it's basically all nude shades from light to dark. So with this palette, I don't think I need any more matte nude shades now, because I have everything sorted in this. And the pigmentation of these eyeshadows is also very nice, and plus they are very soft and buttery. They are not at all chalky. Like I expected at least the lighter shades to be a bit chalky, but they are not at all like that. Like I will swatch it for you guys. So see, this is just one swipe and look at the pigmentation, and it's really very soft. I have this shade on my eyes today, so this is the shade and I really like it. It gives a very natural kind of eye look. So yeah, I'm really liking this eyeshadow palette, and for matte eyeshadow I would definitely reach out to only this palette. Now talking about palettes, I got myself one more palette, which is the blush palette, and this is what it looks like. So first of all, again, it has a very huge mirror, and these are the 4 shades that I got. I got this palette in the shade dark because the lighter shades, I felt that it wouldn't suit Indian skin tone, so I got the darker palette, and these are the 4 shades that it has. I have this light peachy shade on my cheeks right now, and I'm really liking the very natural look that it's giving. So yeah, I really like it for that. And plus I really like this dark shade. Now on the camera it's looking more orangey dark, but it's more of a dark brownish maroonish kind of shade. I don't know, I'm really bad at explaining the shade, but it is quite dark, and I didn't have anything of this sort in my collection, so I just give you a swatch. So this is what the shade looks like, the dark one, and this is what the lighter shade looks like, which I've got on my cheeks. Then this shade is the only one which has little bit of shimmer in it. The rest all are matte. Now I'm really happy with this palette, and also if you go to see, they have this pop-up thing, so you can just press it and that whole pan of that shade will come out. So they have a couple of palettes, these kind of palettes, so you can mix and match and create your own palette. Okay, next I got myself this e.l.f. eyebrow kit. Now I got this in the shade medium, I should have got the darker one, but anyways, this is the medium one. And I really first of all like the packaging. It has got this cute mirror over here, and then these are the two shades. So this is the gel and this is the powder. Now you see why I said I should have got the darker one, because the powder is very light. The gel is like the perfect shade I feel for me, but the powder is light. I used the gel shade on my brows today, not too much, just a slight bit of it, and I like the way it looks. It comes with this dual ended brush. So this is what the brush looks like. This fluffy side is for the powder and this angular side is for the gel. And these brushes are really nice. It's not something that is useless, which you just throw away, which generally happens with drugstore palettes, but this is actually very nice. And this palette is basically a dupe of the Sleek eyebrow palette. So yeah, big thumbs up for that. Very happy with this one. And I must say, I really like the packaging of all these products. They don't look cheap at all. The next thing I got is this blush. So it is the exact same packaging as the eyebrow kit, and it has the mirror over here, and this is the shade. I got it in the shade Twinkle Pink. So it is a very nice peachy color with gold specks in it. This is the perfect dupe for a NARS Orgasm blush. Now I don't own a NARS Orgasm, but I did a lot of research because I really wanted that shade, and NARS blushes are very expensive. They are like $24-25 and this is just $3, so worth trying it, right? So I got this blush and yeah, very excited. Next I got these three eyeliner pencils. So these are nothing special. They are satin eyeliner pencils. They are $1, so definitely worth trying, and each of them come with their own sharpener. I haven't opened the packaging yet because I wanted to show it to you guys, but yeah, I will definitely be using it. I got it in the shade black, then green and navy blue. So yeah, excited to use these as well. Just a last couple of things left, so please bear with me. So the next thing that I got is the e.l.f. Hydrating Under Eye Primer. So this is basically a primer for your under eyes, your concealer and all. And this is a really cute packaging. It comes in this pump format and it's very small. So this is a very good travel friendly packaging. And yeah, I really like it. I haven't used it yet, but yeah, I have good hopes with this, so let's see. Okay, then I got the e.l.f. lip lacquer. Yeah, this is the e.l.f. lip lacquer in the shade Natural. Now I expected this shade to be like a good a good nude lipstick, but it's not. It's a little light for me and it washes me out a little, but I definitely like using this as a top coat over my dark lipstick, so it mutes down those lipsticks and makes a very nice day-to-day wear shade. I have done that with a couple of my dark lipsticks, like a burgundy one and a maroon one, and I easily pulled it off during the day. So yeah, I really like using it like that, and excited with this one as well. The quality is again very nice. It's not really sticky. It's very glossy but not sticky. So yeah, I really like this. Okay, next I have is the e.l.f. Long Lasting Lustrous Eyeshadow. So this is the eyeshadow pot and it's the shade Golden. The shade name is Toast, but it's a golden eyeshadow. And this is what it looks like from inside. So it's basically a cream eyeshadow. If you have tried the Maybelline cream eyeshadow pots, this is similar to that, but that is very creamy. This is a very moussey texture. I think this would replicate the L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow pots, because yeah, they also have a moussey texture. So yeah, this texture is similar to that, and it's a very basic color. Like golden is something which suits Indian skin tone very well, and this is something which I can wear with my Indian wear, my party looks, my western party looks. So yeah, got this shade for that. Next I got myself two fake lashes. So yeah, the first one is natural, and the other one is the more dramatic one, and they come with their own glue, but I would definitely be using my other glue. And yeah, I usually don't wear fake lashes, but I got these to try out, and I am excited to wear these during the New Year's party or the Christmas party. Okay, then I got the HT setting powder, and this is in the shade Soft Luminance. And yeah, this is what it looks like. So it comes with its own poof, and you have to pull this to get the product out. So yeah, I haven't used it yet, but heard really good reviews about this product. It's supposed to be a dupe for a high-end powder. So yeah, I got this one. Then I also got myself the ELF under eye setting powder. Got this in the shade Sheer. So this is what it looks like, and this is again an HT setting powder. So you just have to pull this over here to open it, and the product will get dispensed. And this comes with its own brush. This is what the brush looks like, and like I said, the quality of these brushes is really nice. It's not something that you would just throw away and not use it at all. So yeah, I would definitely be using this brush with this to set my under eye, and it is actually similar to the full face setting powder, I suppose, but I don't know why I got the under eye one as well. So yeah, might as well use it. Now the last thing that I got is this. So yeah, it looks very similar to the under eye setting powder, but it's not. So this is basically a cream eyeliner, and I got it in the shade Black. I have already used it. I'm wearing it on my eyes right now, and it comes with its own angular brush, and this brush again is very useful. It helps in creating a very defined wing eyeliner. Like, I've never used gel eyeliners before this, and this is the first time I'm using it, and I am very excited. Like, I feel now I would not go back to liquid eyeliners after using this gel eyeliner. It's really smooth, it glides on very smoothly, and it's very pigmented, and this brush literally helps in creating the wing in like 2 minutes. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So yeah, very excited with this whole duo as well. So yeah, with that I come to an end of this haul. I didn't really swatch the products and show it to you guys because that would take like a lot of time. If you guys want to see me doing a full face of first impressions, it wouldn't be a full face because I don't have the base makeup products, but still, you get the picture, right? If you want me to try it on in front of you guys and show it to you, let me know in the comment section. If you want to know reviews of any particular product or all of them, also let me know in the comment section, and I would do it for you guys. If you want to purchase these products, you can definitely purchase them from the elfcosmetics.com website. They do ship it to India, but the prices would be a slightly higher than what you would get if you ship it to US, because obviously when you're shipping something from abroad, the taxes and everything gets add up and it increases the prices automatically. But still the prices are very reasonable, and they are very much in comparison to the Indian drugstore brands, so you can definitely do that. Now shipping is free above $50 if you get it shipped to India, and if you're getting shipped to someone in US, your friend or someone who would be getting it for you, then it is free above, I think, $25. Yeah, so that is about that. I would suggest that if you have someone coming down from US for you, then definitely get it shipped over there and that person can bring it for you. But if not, then you can obviously get it shipped to yourself in India as well. I don't know about the shipping time that would take because I haven't tried that, but it took around a week to reach my friend in US itself. So yeah, that's about it. You can also purchase these products from Amazon.in. So yeah, that is also a safe method to purchase if you are skeptical about purchasing these products from the international website. So yeah, that's about that. Now I have a surprise for you guys. So I would be giving away one lucky winner these 4 products, and yeah, so the 4 products that I'm giving away are, first of all is this lipstick that I'm wearing. Second of all is that lip lacquer in the shade Natural, which I feel would be very nice for muting down any of your bold lipsticks. third thing that I'm giving away is this eyeshadow in the shade Toast, which I showed you guys. This is mine and this is for you guys. So yeah, this is the eyeshadow. And the fourth thing is this mascara, which is the volumizing and defining mascara. The winner will get 4 of these products, and this is my way of saying a big thank you to you guys for helping me reach the 500 subscribers mark. So yeah, now for the rules. First of all, you have to subscribe to my channel. Secondly, you have to like this video. You have to follow me on my Instagram and other social media. And lastly, you have to comment down below and let me know what is your favorite item of all the products, and also what videos you would want me to do next. So yeah, it's that simple. Participate in the giveaway. I would be announcing the winners on 25th of December, so this would be like my Christmas gift for you guys. So yeah, on 25th of December I would be announcing the winners on this video. Check out the description box, and also I would be putting the winner's name on my Instagram, so do check out over there as well. So with that, we come to an end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I will be coming up with new videos soon. Till then, bye.